Hi guys,
Hello everyone,
and we are here at Rice and Fort, and
and this is the main entrance for the fort, and let's explore together.
yes, we are entering in the fort, and this is the first view as you see.
Before going to anywhere, first we have to learn about its history. So let's go and read
Read
from
the
here.
history. So this all is written in Hindi. So sorry, my English viewers.
Let me read it
Yeah,
for you. रायसेन नाम संभवतः राजवासनी अथवा राजसयन अर्थात राजा का शाही निवास शब्द का
राजा ने बनाया, राजा को हरा दिया और खत्म.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
this is the history.
Yes.
And
Now
look at the view.
show them the view.
So it's just a beginning.
See, this is something giving the royal vibes.
Yeah.
Just check the royal vibes. Khamma ghadi.
Bro, do you think do you know who ruled this Killa like fort?
I think Aurangzeb.
No, I don't think so. Like he just conquered that Killa,
Yeah.
but who's the real one who made by his struggle? The
That
one who pull out all the stones in the mountain and create this.
that we have to be search in Google.
Yeah, surely
But
we
for
will.
now we are not ready for it.
It is a nice place. Look at the. I think I'm seeing first time this type of any fort. Oh, it is like
Something crazy.
is this any
Temple.
kind of temple? Yeah,
Yeah,
this
I
is a
think so.
temple.
This is a temple.
Oh, it is great. We will come after
Finishing our food.
yeah. So
For you guys, we travel almost 60 kilometers.
look, this is the map. I think you are here. I think we are here. So this is Panya Mandir. Okay, so this is the mandir, and what we have like Badal Mahal, Rani Mahal,
I think one
Mandap
Moscow is
Talab.
also here. I think one Moscow is also here.
So we don't care about the.
Purani Kacheri.
Okay, so let's go.
Ginjari Mahal. Wow.
Hey, so we are like which Mahal? I don't know. I don't remember the name, but look, we are entering in some part of the fort, which is oh, like it is big. It is big yard. I don't know what the king do here. Inside this place, I think something happening.
We
The
are not allowed to
archaeological,
go inside this place.
maybe some new temples or maybe another thing. So we follow the rules. We are not going inside, and I think we should move ahead. Okay, so Nivet, tell me are you visiting first time or you already
No,
visited
it
this
is my
place?
second time.
Okay, so
When I met first, I was with my friend
okay,
Badal
so
Babele.
yeah, so uh, tell me why you come again? Like you like this place or what?
I am very fond of these historical things,
Okay.
and I am also fond of different cultures. So whenever I get time, I will go like these places. And
Oh, so I
oh,
think this is like Rani Mahal or something. Yeah.
no, I don't think so. This is Rani Mahal.
Yeah.
I am sure that this is the place where they take the bath.
I don't think so. They take every day. They come and take bath in open. Maybe in the summer vacations.
But they have their own places, no? They may have lanterns here.
Yeah.
Yeah, one roof.
Look, there are some kind of birds. Like
Show them, na? Show
they are
them.
crazy. Like
Show them. We are already seeing.
so. This is the like kind of swimming pool of like queen and all other big peoples. And this is the way by
What kind of sound
they travel. I don't know, bro. Like something.
I think it is of beds.
Yeah,
है ना?
they are.
Oh my God.
So
Batman, Batman.
this is the bay by like everyone go down. Like nice, bro. It takes lot of effort
Let
to
me-
fill this.
Take off my blazer, bro. I am feeling hot.
Okay,
Not hot, warm.
warm. Which is like it is a nice place to explore if you like. Look, there are some steps by which we can go up. Let's see what is there.
There is nothing, bro. There is nothing, I think.
Yeah, bro, they just created these steps and then we have nothing, but it is like
Just we have stairs, not the roof.
oh, like maybe some part of this fort is like broken or like destroyed by some invaders. I think the Aurangzeb conquered this fort.
Can we pause our video and take a lunch?
Let first find a good place where we eat.
I know the best place.
We are exploring the mahal. Like look,
I think there are wires. Oh my God, what is this?
oh wow, like some places are like what we call, what is this?
I think this is a kind of mosque.
No, I don't think so.
Then what is this?
Like it's a personal space of the.
But it is good, bro. It is good. The echo of sound is also coming.
Yeah. Oh, look at the view. Like we are at means top of the
You know what?
what?
When I met first time here,
So. You can see behind the Ryzen cities there. Like I think like from here the king or queen just watch and see his dream. Like every day the king comes here and just repeat his words that I am the king of this world. Look at this. I think this is a place where he feel proud to comes.
because he was the king of this place, na.
Yeah.
You know what?
What?
I have the picture of the same place,
Okay.
of mine only.
As you see that there is a helipad.
Where?
Look.
No. Okay, I got it.
So
That's a helipad.
okay, so this is the Ryzen city. I think.
And I think that is Mandi.
We don't care. So
But I care na, bro.
so
My
my,
gra-
bro
my bag-
has the
My background is full of mandis and mills.
yeah. Oh, nice. I think from here we see the whole view of Ryson city. Huh? Where's the market?
This is the Ryzen only.
What do you mean by Ryson only? Like it is not the city.
Then?
I am asking. Yeah, I am telling like this is the whole city from.
But it is very small, na.
Yeah.
In compare to Lalitpur and all.
Bro.
And compared
Nobody
to
knows. Nobody knows.
Lalitpur?
Yeah.
Oh my God, let me.
If you know Lalitpur, then comment.
Lalitpur.
I think only 1 and 2 people know. From my viewers, they only knew the places.
Because of me only.
Yeah.
I am the one who is making Lalitpur famous.
And I am the one who is making like what my city name is.
Nasulaganj.
Nasulaganj. They just rename it. They like Berunda.
Aurangabad.
Berunda. Bro,
Berunda.
you are like
Sorry,
going
sorry.
reverse.
Sorry.
So
sorry.
Behrunda,
My bad,
like
my bad.
our beloved what CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Mr.
Shivraj Singh
My
Chauhan is in our college and we are not there. We are
Yeah.
just simply wandering here and there and
So we are
enjoying the
come
views.
here to just see his work. Like, yeah, bro, how they do the development part, and it is like nice. I think we are good to go from
Let,
somewhere. Like
let us
we are.
find the good place and
Let's
have a lunch.
explore. Like yeah, now we need to eat our lunch, and we are finding a good place. I think. Yeah.
I know the good.
You know? Okay. So, guys, we just find a place where we can do our eat our like lunch, and
Let
yeah,
us see
it is.
what we have inside our lunch.
Yeah.
So first we have Uncle Chips.
These all are just be. brought
Then I
from
have my
the-
own lunch.
Yeah, so when
Then,
we
then there is one more lunch of Priyan's bhai.
like,
And
oh,
then we have some refreshment.
bro, like I just forgot
What?
the dahi like in my bag.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, yaar.
It's okay, it's okay.
We we took only one bag with us, and
We will do something about it.
yeah.
Let us see.
So I just read some histories of this fort. Like it is like there is nothing, bro. It's only like. Oh, bro.
And then what it is inside?
It's a Jira one. Bro.
Okay, that is quite good.
Yeah,
And
this is
parathas?
Yes. Okay, it is good. Like
It's
you
okay,
have
na?
like food and we
Yeah,
have some
we
other
do have.
refreshments. Yeah, so this fort is like built in like in the 12th century, like, and the many dynasty like
It is quite old, bro.
yeah.
Quite old.
So we just let's eat.
Let's have our lunch.
Yeah.
And we will meet guys, we are back from our lunch and we eat too much today. So now we are not able to move.
It's like look. Okay, so we already visited this place.
Now
we are
we are
like
good
just
to
going
go.
back and explore some unexplored things. Like we just skip it initial.
We will continue our this work
Yeah.
and make you find the best places of India.
Not
Of our
India. Not
incre-
India.
of our incredible India.
No. It's like Madhya Pradesh tourism advertisement.
Bro, I think this is not a place where we both have to come. We have to come with our girlfriends only.
Look, there are like couples. And so like what can we do? Like we can't do nothing. We can do nothing.
No, we can do. We can have our own girlfriend here.
No, I don't have any.
Then try.
Try on what? Like
Try on girl. And ask her.
no, bro. I'm not interested in this type. I'm straight. Oh, so look at this. What do you think? Like, what the king do here?
He just play cricket here.
I don't think so. Like at that time, like even the cricket comes.
No, teen guna laga.
Like maybe like gilli danda or something.
That is cricket of India.
Yeah. Like the king has like one of the most beautiful views from the city. Like everywhere.
From the city,
like
not from the city, but of the city.
like you know, from the city, like in the from city, it is the one of the place from where you just
You can visit.
yeah. But
In
look
my
at-
suggestion, I will rate this place 3 out of 5.
yeah, like look at this, like the dirt, like the best we produce. We are like dumb people, like we are not like what I call
What?
we do not deserve like
You
we,
can talk in Hindi, na? There is nothing much to talk in Hindi.
okay, so hi
It's our first language.
या so like हम ऐसी अच्छी जगहें डिजर्व नहीं करते क्योंकि हमारी ये हरकतों की वजह से जो आप
ये
पीछे बैकग्राउंड में देख रहे हो ये कुछ खास नहीं है, ये सब है पॉलीथीन्स
मैंने
और
इसी के 2 पॉइंट काटे हैं 5 में से.
या और ये सिर्फ अपनी ही गलती है। लाइक लुक, ये शायद पर्सनल यहाँ पे इधर लाइक पर्सनल तालाब है क्या ये? यस, मुझे यही लगता है। ओके सो ये है राजा जी का पर्सनल तालाब।
पर्सनल है भाई, कोई छुएगा नहीं।
या मे बी फ्रॉम समवेयर ही कम आउट।
एक उधर भी था ना भाई।
या लाइक व्हाट, इट इज टू फार फ्रॉम हियर, लाइक आई थिंक।
दो थे भाई के खुद के।
Yeah. Like the same type of pond we see
See,
in the
this is-
Chava movie, like when the sword comes
Oh,
from
I got
the
it.
foot, like it is starting where the elephants are like. Oh,
We are almost at the countryside.
yeah. So it is like a night's place to visit, explore some history.
Explore once.
Yeah, explore once, try out, but be sincere, be like a responsible citizen.
Friends, listen.
Yes.
It is our time to go, but we have to go to temple now.
Yeah. So
Let's go
it's
there
all.
and end our vlog so that we can move to our city.
Yeah. Oh, Jai Mata Ji. Jai Mata Ji. Oh, I think this temple is like built recently. Like this one is like
No. This is not of recent.
they are all like same time.
Yeah.
Like look the structure, like in the this type of building they have some small stones, but look, this is like modern architecture.
But it is going to renovate.
Yeah, maybe they just renovate this thing. Like look, like where it is. Yeah, this is the like temple where we are going now.
And this is our last place to visit.
Maybe
And from here-
let's find something else if we found anything.
Then we will
good,
make sure
then
that
surely
it will
we,
reach to you.
we include in our blog. So
But for now, this is the last place.
yeah, so we are moving ahead.
Let's come from this side.
Who said? So should be like what? Yeah, just remove the yeah.
No. You have to remove your shoes here only.
Maybe yes.
I think so.
Look, there are a lot of like what I call lots of shoes and slippers are okay. So we are here. This is the temple and we are here. So we are inside the temple, like it's like Lord Shiva's temple.
Yeah.
And it is like yesterday is like Shiv Mahashivratri, so maybe there is a lot of things, crowd or everything happens yesterday. That's why we are here to look lot of waste. Yeah.
It is also a good place. See,
Yeah, look. It is no, bro. It's just like
it's so
so
plastic.
okay. Yeah. It looks like a made of stone.
But it is making a mirage for us.
Yeah. Look, some people are clicking the photos. We try to not disturb them. But it is
This
like
is the secret gate.
oh,
I think so.
like there are a lot of good structures, architecture. What do you think?
There are barricades here.
Yeah. What do you think? Like, how much time it take to make this place? Like, maybe it takes some decades, no?
I don't think it takes the decade.
No, the whole fort.
Okay, whole boat. It may take.
Yeah, but like in the 12th century, like things are hard to make like it.
Yeah, they don't have AC.
And look at
This is also
so
a
it is
good
like
place. We have good air.
fresh air outside the city.
Where is our scooty?
Like yeah, I am able to see like it is like behind. So we visited this place
Yeah,
or
yeah,
no?
yeah.
No, I don't think so. Like
No, we have visited it. No, this is the place where I told you that there is one top. English में
okay,
क्या कहते हैं तोप को?
I don't know. Like top. Oh. So guys, comment in the
चलो क्या?
okay. So like we
Can we
are
sit
good to go.
sometime?
वेलकम टू आवर हिंदी सेगमेंट. अभी हम यहाँ से ब्लॉग हिंदी में करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स शायद कंफर्टेबल ना हो हमारी इतनी तेज और ख़तरनाक इंग्लिश में. सो लाइक यहाँ पे और भी हम कुछ चीज़ें
प्रियांश
जी गण मित्रगण बताइए अब हम
मित्रगण.
कहाँ पर
प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं.
प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं.
तो अब हम एक ऐसी जगह प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं
जी.
जहाँ पर हमें तोप देखने मिलेगी.
तोप क्या होती है?
तोप
गोला बारूद.
जी जी जी. तोप एक प्रकार का आइटम है.
No, it's not like
Yeah,
it's single shot, one shot. It's not like okay. Okay, so अब हम अंदर जा रहे हैं. हमें पता नहीं है ये
हाँ, सही जगह आ गया. ये देख.
ओके सो हम सही जगह पे जा रहे हैं. ओके ब्रो, इज दिस रियल? लाइक आर दे मेड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग डिजाइन?
No, they are real.
ओके सो दिस इज लाइक समथिंग.
They used to bamboozle.
Look, this is I think
They are empty.
like bro. हाँ ठीक. There are some kind of weapons from like I think like this is the place where they put all the weapons here. Like this is the like what we call.
और ये पढ़ो. तारीख शेरशाही में उल्लेख है कि दिल्ली का शासक शेरशाह सूरी 4 माह की घेराबंदी के बाद भी जब रायसेन किले को जीत नहीं पाया तब उसने तांबे के सिक्के आदि को गलवा कर तोपों का निर्माण करवाया जिससे परिणाम स्वरूप वह रायसेन किले को जीतने में सफल हुआ.
Okay,
इट इज मेंशन इन तारीख शेरशाही डेट
हिंदी.
शेरशाह सूरी. ओके.
शेरशाह सूरी.
यह तोपें ढलवा लोहे से निर्मित की गई हैं. तोप के निर्माण के लिए सर्वप्रथम मिट्टी का एक सांचा तैयार किया जाता था. जिस आकार तथा माप की तोप बनानी होती थी उसी आकार तथा माप की मोम की परत सांचे पर चढ़ाकर उसे पुनः मिट्टी के लेप से ढक दिया जाता था. जब गर्म पिघली धातु इस साये में एक और से
It is enough. My viewers are like
गेटिंग बोर्ड.
yeah.
दिस इज काइंड ऑफ मुगल आर्किटेक्ट.
Yeah, like maybe they just after the conquer this fort they made.
I think well, this is the mosque of this fort.
No, I don't think so. No.
No. You see now.
Bro, it is like the
Most of the Muslims came here and
look
माथा टेकने को क्या कहते हैं?
bow down like
या वो डाउन.
और यहाँ पे एक इधर पूरा सा एक बड़ा सा तालाब भी है. लाइक यहाँ से अपन देख पाएंगे कि नहीं देख सकते हैं.
हाँ आप नहीं मैं दिखा दूंगा.
नहीं मुझे ये क्या है इसके अंदर?
ओह
मैन
ओह
लुक एट दिस गाइस. ये कोई तलघर है. यहाँ पे राजाएं भगते थे जैसे ही
शेर रखते थे.
अरे हाँ
हाँ देखा ना तूने.
यस ओके. अबे यहाँ से तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. क्या अपन ज़्यादा आगे हैं बेटा. सो यहाँ तो खाली है. बोला क्या?
नहीं अपने से
ओके. हाँ हम शायद लगभग पूरा एक्सप्लोर कर चुके हैं ये फोर्ट को जितना हम कर सकते थे.
नहीं इतना ही है.
हाँ तो मतलब फिर तो कर चुके हैं पूरा. लाइक
तो हम अपने घर की ओर प्रस्थान करेंगे.
जी बिल्कुल.
अब हम
आज
अपने
I
वीडियो
think-
को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
लाइक चलचित्र.
अब हम अपने चलचित्र को यहीं बंद करेंगे.
हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम समय से पहले यदि पहुंच जाए तो क्यों ना हम अपनी अध्यापिका जी से कहकर अपनी प्रस्तुति टिक करवा दें कि हम तो हिस्ट्री की तरफ से गए थे मैम. मामा ने कहा था कि बेटा यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
एमपी टूरिज्म।
हाँ 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 बिल्कुल, एमपी टूरिज्म को प्रमोट करने आए थे।
और अभी हम कर रहे हैं, हमारे जो 3 व्यूज आएंगे, एक प्रियांश भाई का, एक मेरा और एक हमारे और पूरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में से किसी एक का, हम लोग एमपी टूरिज्म को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
जी जी बिल्कुल। सो आई थिंक इट इज़ गुड इनफ टू एंड दिस वीडियो एंड
So, thank
guys
you.
please support us, like support, like just like the video, like you, if you like it, just like it, and just give us a feedbacks in the comment section. So
So deep, so that we can make our videos bust
more-
and bust.
okay,
हम तो ऐसे ही हैं, लाडले।
हम तो नहीं सुधरेंगे। हम तो यही है।
हम तो ऐसे ही हैं।
और ये शायद यहाँ पे पूरा महल जितना भी फोर्ट का शायद पानी स्टोर हुआ करता था। यहाँ से हम थोड़ा बहुत गहरा है, यहाँ से देखेंगे तो मतलब गहरा तो नहीं पर अच्छा खासा है। लुक सो लाइक इतने में तो शायद
नहीं समझ में आएगा,
पूरा शहर
लेकिन है बहुत
पी
बड़ा।
सकता है
हाँ,
1-2 दिन का पानी तो। लाइक ब्रो
नहा भी लेंगे।
बहुत बड़ा है भाई, ये बहुत बड़ा है। नाइस, आई अप्रिशिएट द मैन हु बिल्ड दैट फोर्ट। बस जस्ट आई होप लाइक उसने लाइक मजदूरों के हाथ ना काटे हो और समथिंग लाइक आई गरीबों से लूट कर ना बनाया हो।
बाकी ठीक है,
बाकी ठीक है।
बाकी तो मिलते
लाइक
हैं।
आई थिंक हिस्ट्री इज़ ब्रूटल। जितनी हम हिस्ट्री सुनते हैं वो सिर्फ मतलब अच्छी ही हिस्ट्री सुनते हैं। लाइक कोई राजा जब हिस्ट्री लिखवाता होगा तो वो उसके बुरे काम कभी मेंशन नहीं करता होगा। सो हम कह नहीं सकते कि
ये अभी आप आए। ये वही थे क्या?
लाइक ब्रो लाइक ये कुछ लोग जो आ रहे हैं पीछे, लाइक हाँ ये
तब मिले थे जब
ये
उस
हम
कॉर्नर
लाइक
पे थे।
हम लाइक कॉर्नर पे थे और लाइक इन ये आए बड़ी कार से थे, हम छोड़ी 2 व्हीलर पर वो आए थे 4 व्हीलर से। बट क्या कर सकते हैं, 4 व्हीलर अलाउ नहीं थी। सो लाइक दे अब पहुँचे लाइक। हाँ तो मैं जो कह रहा था लाइक हाँ कह चुका था उसको।
तो अब हम अपने स्कूटी के पास आ चुके हैं।
हाँ वी आर लाइक वी जस्ट
Very
कंप्लीट
close to
आवर होल
our
सर्कल
river.
फ्रॉम वेयर वी स्टार्ट, वी आर एंडिंग फ्रॉम देयर।
थैंक यू सो मच।
नो नो इट्स लाइक समथिंग
अब
we
नहीं है
left-
कुछ भाई।
थोड़ा बच्चा है भाई, पूरा यहाँ से शुरू किया वहाँ से खत्म करने का।
ठीक है।
लाइक व्हाट इज दिस, लाइक इट इज लाइक सम काइंड ऑफ सिंबल or they just
So them they
like
will
I
only
think
guess
like
it.
this is the way the Raja show the middle finger to the attackers. Look at this, yeah. And so we are like, yeah, we completed
We are
our
very close to end. So thank you everyone.
piece of
This is a goodbye from
be
Nived Yadav.
kind to everyone, be good to everyone. Bye.